Well, that just arrived. Pretty cool. So this is an interesting way to pack it, but it looks like it protected it well, so it works. So we have some parts here. Parts is parts. Some rails. And the smallest spool of filament I think I've ever seen. It's so cute. And there it is. Thing's a beast. Let's say though, much easier to assemble than I expected. Very well done on how to assemble it. Pretty straightforward. I was expecting more mayhem than it was. FLSun did a nice job on that. I might need a lower bench though, because that's a reach. Even the dogs think so. We have a leveling sensor. I have that on, and we're going through a bed calibration right now. And then we'll get this thing leveled out, and we'll do a test print. Running a test cube. It was on the SD card. So the test cube is done in 7 minutes, 44 seconds. It's a chip cube. Oh, cool. I don't know, it looks pretty clean. Especially the N. I mean the Z. Looks pretty clean. I think we need to throw a benchy on here and see what's going to happen. So I connected the FLSun to Orca and just sent a file over the benchy. And I'm just using standard settings right now to see how it comes out. And then we'll try speeding it up. One thing I like about Orca Slicer is when you go to device tab on a Clipper machine, it loads everything right here. So you don't have to open a web browser to see what's going on or make adjustments if you want to speed things up, slow things down. You know, so our benchy is almost done. And we're going to be pretty close to 46 minutes here, it looks like, when it's done. That's not impressive here. So let's keep this off here. That's a pretty clean benchy there. Look at that. Let's ramp it up. This is the slowest install of Cura I think I've ever seen. It's crazy. So using the Cura profile, we were able to get this down to 33 minutes, 14 seconds. That's not good enough. And there's a crazy brim on it. We gotta fix that. So we're gonna bump the speed to 150%. So running at 150%, we shaved it down from 35 minutes to 26, almost 27 minutes. It's gonna flip over 27 minutes. Is it? Is it? Yep, 27 minutes exactly. And we're starting to see some roughness on our bow here. So I think at 150, I'm kind of pushing it there. It'd probably go faster, but it's not a good idea. So she's up and running, working good. Printed a couple things. Printed this last night. Okay, I accidentally cut my video. I think I have it a little too high. I might have to lower it a little bit. The cable's getting a little stretched there. But that was kind of cool. And then if I need to, I can pick it up and take it out of here if I want and use it over here. So kind of an interesting little add-on. Yeah, might have to find me a lower bench because getting that spool's fun. But you know, other than that, so far so good. Now I've been running all PET G. So later today I'll throw in some PLA and we'll do some test printing with that.